I want you to pause this video and make an attempt. Try to do those questions. It's all about function operations where we're going to do addition, subtraction, as well as multiplication. And you may be wondering why there is no division. That is a topic by itself. So I'm giving you some time to make an attempt to see what you already know. The clock is ticking, tick, 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 tick. Time up. Hey, what's up? It's me again. So today we want to look at function operation. We're going to do addition, we're going to do multiplication, and we're also going to do division. So the first one I'm going to take on is multiplication. Okay? So here we have two functions that are given. One is the f function, which is 2x plus 1, and the other is the g function, which is x minus 5. The two of them are linear. How do I know? The highest exponent is 1. So it said f of x, let us find out what is f of x. F of x is 2x plus 1 multiplied by g of x. G of x here is x minus 5. Okay? So that's the first thing that we should do. If it's multiple choice, where we have A, B, C, and D, and you want to use a concept of equivalent, this is the first thing that you have to do. Okay? And then you will enter this in Desmos, and it will produce a graph, and then one of the options will produce the same graph, and that is your answer. That's just a little way of dealing with multiple choice, because the beauty about multiple choice, the answer is there. But let us develop our algebraic skill. Okay? So I'm going to label these as A and B. So in other words, I'm saying A multiplied by B. Okay, so A, I'm going to take the first term. There are two terms. I'm going to take 2x and multiply all of B, which is x minus 5. Okay, and then I take the next term of A and multiply all of B. So I did it piece by piece, but in the end, it is A multiplied by B. There are other ways you can do it. Would I do it this way? No. But when you do it this way, for sure you will get the correct answer. So we said 2x multiplied by x give me 2x squared, and 2x multiplied by negative 5 give me negative 10x. And we know the effect of multiplying by 1. So 1 times x give me x, and 1 times negative 5 would give me negative 5. Awesome. Now let us put all the like terms together. Okay, so we have 2x squared and the negative 10x plus 10, those are, plus x rather, those are like terms. So it's going to be negative 9x minus 5. And that is your answer. So if you want to check your answer using Desmos, okay, you're going to graph this function. We call it graph 1. Okay. And remember to use y equals whatsoever. And then you're going to graph this one, this graph 2. If they match, and what do I mean? You see only one graph. Then it is fair to say that those two functions are equivalent. Remember I said equivalent is just presenting an expression or even a function another way. Okay, cool. Moving on to addition now. F of x, one more time, so it's 2x plus 1, okay, plus, okay? X minus 5, okay? So we're gonna simplify. So group the like terms, so that's 3x and negative 4, okay? And that is your answer, okay? And as again, if you want to check your answer in Desmos, okay, you enter this information, it gives you graph 1, and do this, graph 2. But if in the end you get one graph, then it means that they're equivalent. Okay, subtraction. Be careful with this. Let me go back to addition. Guys, you'll always be on the right track if you utilize parentheses always. So when I'm doing multiplication, I have my parentheses. When I'm doing addition, I do have my parentheses. When I'm doing subtraction, I would have my parentheses. Okay, so it's 2x plus 1, parentheses, okay, minus x minus 5, parentheses. Okay, cool. So here we have 2x plus 1, okay, and this, if a negative is outside the parentheses, it will change what is inside. Because negative times positive give me negative. So you see the x was positive inside. When I do the distributive property, it becomes negative. Now, negative multiplied by another negative will give me positive. You realize the 5 becomes positive because I applied the distributive property. Let me group my like terms. So those are like terms. So I have 2 x's and I minus 1, I'm left with 1. And then I have 1 plus 5 would give me 6. And that is your answer. So it is fair to say that these two are equivalent, okay? It's just been presented a different way, okay? So guys, remember, utilize the concept of equivalence. Utilize the concept of equivalence. It's just another way of presenting your answer, but it means the same. Okay, cool. All right. So that was function operation. Thank you.